Hi, welcome to my channel Trendy Hobbies. Dosa is very common breakfast in most of the South Indian houses. We can find wide variety of dosa in South Indian restaurants. Let's have a cultural integration of dosa with Indian touch. Dosa batter link is given in the description box. Come, let's start. Heat pan on a low flame. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and chili paste and fry until it turns golden brown. Add half chopped onion and fry for 30 seconds. Now add five teaspoons of tomato puree and fry until it leaves oil from sides. Add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of chili sauce and mix it. Add boiled macaroni and fry for 1 minute and keep aside. I took half cup of macaroni, boiled it and kept it. Heat tawa on low flame. Spread ladle full of batter gently. Pour a teaspoon of oil on sides. Brush butter. Sprinkle some grated cheese. Add macaroni. And grated carrot and cook it on high flame for 1 minute. When dosa becomes red from all sides, remove it. Cut it into pieces and serve it. Now, let's try another interesting dish, spaghetti dosa. This also goes well for the children's snacks. Heat pan on medium flame, add oil, chopped carrot, capsicum, onion and fry until softens. Now add salt, half tablespoon soya sauce, half tablespoon vinegar, 3/4 tablespoon chili sauce, half tablespoon tomato sauce and mix it well. Now add boiled spaghetti and mix it. Heat tawa on low flame. Spread batter. And pour teaspoon of oil on side. Brush butter. Sprinkle cheese on sides. Now add spaghetti and cook for 1 minute on high flame. Now roll it and cut it into pieces and serve. Now it's time for pizza dosa. Kids will really enjoy it in their lunch boxes and evening snacks. Heat tawa on low flame. Spread dosa batter. Pour oil on sides. Now spread pizza sauce onto the dosa. Sprinkle cheese. Add your own toppings like chopped mushrooms, chopped capsicum, jalapenos, grated carrot, black olives, etc. Sprinkle some cheese on top and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on high flame. Now remove it onto the plate. After 1 minute, cut it into pieces. If you like my recipes, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment in the comment box, and subscribe to my channel to get more updates.